Are you looking to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account in 2023? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it and walk you through the process step by step, so it's simple and straightforward. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Account, and then scroll down a little bit and tap on Delete Account. So now you'll have two different options. The first one is to simply deactivate your account, and the second one is to completely delete your account. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your account, just tap on the first option. Deactivate account. And it will load up this page. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom and select a reason why you are deactivating your account. So for example, I'll select too busy/too distracting. After that, you have to re-enter your password to continue. So go ahead and enter your Instagram password over here. If you don't remember your password, you can tap where it says Forgot Password, and Instagram will send you an email with instructions to reset and change your password. So once you've done with that, simply tap where it says Temporarily Deactivate Account. After that, your account will be temporarily deactivated and hidden, and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.